Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, Chris, another week, another day, another dollar, as they say. OZ Canopies and 4x4. What have we got here today? We have a DT Ram 1500 Rebel. Alright, let's be serious. This is not your regular old Ram 1500. It's the Rebel, mate. And what are we going to do? We're going to get one of our OZ Canopies and 4x4 Oz Tracks electric rollers fitted on this bad boy. It's one of our new proximity sensor equipped products. That is all going to make sense at the end of the video. Let's go ahead and get right into it.
see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay, hey. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Fuck with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that, this is big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever. Yeah. Oh shit, they don't let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition. We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war every exhibition, every extra mission, every enemy listening. Get off my dick, I got bad intentions. Make it right every wrong, and I'm back with a vengeance. I show you the ropes. Beast in my town, I can show you the coast. Up in the shots if they wanted to smoke. If you know, then you know. Suited up, bitch, my whole team do the same. Don't you forget who created the game. Ready for war, I was born with grenades. The trenches where soldiers are made. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever.
ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoyed the assembly and fit process of the OZ Trax electric roller for these American utes. We've got them available for the Ram, the Silverado, and also the F-150 in the shorter tub variants. Okay, so a few ways to control this bad boy. You've got a pair of fob control keys over here. Very straightforward. Press the unlock button and it rolls forward. You can stop it wherever you like. Once you let it roll all the way forward, you're going to have an integrated bar light in the front canister as well that's come on. You can see very, very straightforward and very, very premium. And also one thing I want to draw attention to is just how small that canister is, meaning that you've got basically the entirety length of the tub available to use, right? One other thing to be a note as well, you've got these two sort of buttons that are on the sidearm over here, right? So if I press that back button, it's going to come back, right? So if you got your keys in the pocket or anything like that, you can also go ahead and use these controls, right? Now the way that these work is via a proximity sensor. So if you were to sort of move the keys as far away, about 1.5 meters away, let's just see if it's enough. Not enough yet. I'm gonna go over here, give these keys to my favorite fitter over here. You can see now that it is outside of the proximity sensor, so we can't operate it. And then if we sort of come on inside, get it a little bit closer, then you can see that now it's just been automatically re-engaged, and then you can use the buttons again. Very, very straightforward. Available now at ozcanopies.com.au. You can see it's a very, very trick unit, all aluminium construction, all interlocking aluminium plates on the curtain. You cannot cut in between it with a knife. And most importantly, more than 1,500 bucks, 2 grand off, right? These ones are available from 2,200 bucks, I believe, online. So that is a very, very fair price indeed. I believe it's one of the best priced at this quality roller shutters on the market anyway. So other than that, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.